Earth and Space Science students. This is your second instructional video for Unit 1, Week 1, and this goes along with your provocation. And so kind of the goal of the provocation is to just get you thinking about what we're going to be learning about, and in this case, just generally about space, and then the Big Bang is kind of our first big idea we'll be tackling next week, I think. And so we're kind of just focusing on, like I said, the space and the universe, kind of getting an idea or a grasp of the size, things about it, things like that. And you're going to do this by looking basically just at different phenomena. We're looking at some pictures, some videos, different texts, articles, and kind of using different resources to try and start getting you thinking about these concepts or ideas. If you look at our lesson plan portion here, this video, it's a guy jumping from basically the edge of our atmosphere, so from the edge of space, essentially, through down to the Earth. And so that can help kind of get you an idea, just even how big our atmosphere is, let alone space in general. And then I just found this website this summer, so the summer of 2022, and it's called 100,000 Stars. This is from Google. It's a Google Chrome experiment, and it's really neat to me. So this is only a fraction of the stars in our universe, and you can see all those little points of light. Those represent different stars. You can, using your scroll wheel on your mouse, you can scroll in or out. So if I scroll in, I'll start to see, and this is all just within our galaxy of the Milky Way, right? But I'll start to see stars that we actually know of, and you can click on them. So let's say I want to go to this one, Alpha Grius. It'll give me some information. It'll kind of show me what it looks like. I can drag it around. I could learn more about it on Wikipedia if I wanted to. And then I can actually go back to where I was, or zoom out a little bit, I should say. You can go into and you can click and rotate this too, right? This is, I assume, our sun. Yeah, there's the sun. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Yep, the sun is at the center. So if I click on our sun, obviously there's a little bit more information about the sun. And again, you can drag it around, things like that. So I thought it was just kind of neat. The other kind of cool thing, you can do the same thing, the scroll wheel with this slider bar here. You can zoom out. Just look how crazy this is. Hold on, sorry. So like this is our solar system, right? And then a lot of empty space. And then 1 light year away, right? And then you start to see other stars. We're still within the Milky Way. And then you zoom out even more. So it's kind of, I don't know, blows my mind a little bit. Yeah, if you zoom out here, this is where you can see that we're zoomed into that part of the Milky Way. And then the Milky Way is this whole galaxy here. The other cool thing I wanted to show you is if you hit this Take a Tour play button, it'll kind of do some of the driving, if you will, for you. Starting with our sun, things like that. It's just kind of a neat thing. And then this graph over here just shows you temperatures, which is something we'll be talking about in a couple weeks. But I thought it'd be kind of neat. Make sure you tune in for the directions for how to do the provocation here. And that is about all you have to do for this week. Have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.